Living alone can be a challenging experience, but it can also provide a lot of freedom and opportunity to build the life you want. Here are some solutions for living alone. Find a new hobby. Find activities that interest you, such as cooking, art, sports, or reading. A new hobby will help fill your free time and give you the opportunity to meet new people. Join a club or community. That interests you, such as a book club, hiking group, or social group. This can help you meet people who share your interests and widen your social circle. Learn a new skill. Learn a new skill like cooking. New skills can provide satisfaction and provide opportunities for increased creativity. Explore new places. Music. You can visit museums, art galleries. Stay connected with family and friends. Even if you live alone, stay connected with family and friends. You can have regular meetings or make video calls. Take care of your mental and physical health by exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and maintaining a healthy routine. This will help you feel better and deal with stress. Make a schedule. Create a schedule for yourself and set goals to achieve. This can help you stay productive and organized. Supporting yourself can be a positive experience and allow you to explore your life in a different way. With the solutions above, you can build the life you want and enjoy the freedom you have.